Dr. Rose here from Natural Transplants, and we are with Simone. Today is her surgery day, and tell us, where are you in from?
I come all the way from London, England.
Yeah. So tell us, what made you decide to come to the United States and pick Natural Transplants?
Okay, I've had damage traction alopecia for about 20 years now. So saving money and researching the best doctors to go to, I went to a few hair clinics in London, and I found that they weren't very experienced with textured hair, or as you say here, African American hair, even though I'm from England, but Afro-Caribbean hair for those in the UK. And so I looked online and I watched quite a few videos, probably all the videos on your website, and decided that this was the best option and to spend the money to travel here.
Wonderful. Well, we're very happy to have you here, and you've got great hair. And as you can see, she was describing that she's got a typical traction type alopecia pattern here. And she's got a wonderful hairline that's quite curvy and undulating, and she has this tiny little widow's peak here that gives her character. So we're going to keep her current hairline and just fill in the density. And we're really excited and looking forward to seeing her progress throughout the day.
Mm-hmm.
Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants. We are in the middle of the surgery with Simone. We have taken out the strip. The follicles have been cut down. The slit incisions where the new hairs are going to be placed have been made. And we're just checking in with you. How's it been going for you so far?
It's been going good so far. I've been well taken care of. I've been made to feel very comfortable. I've had a lot of camaraderie with the staff and Dr. Rose here, so it's been an easy process, considering what the process is. So, yeah.
Well, you've been a pleasure as well.
Thank you.
It makes our job easier. We were able to get you a lot of hair today, so we're very looking forward to seeing.
I'm looking forward to
seeing the density, the results that you're getting, and your edges back.
Yeah.
And you traveled all the way from the UK.
Yeah.
You're not alone. We actually have quite a few international patients that come see us every month, and they make the journey.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully, you found that it was worth it so far.
Definitely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to be following up with you towards the end of the surgery, which is, not too far off, and just showing where all the hairs have been placed and your new hairline.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you.
Dr. Rose here with Natural Transplants. We are at the conclusion of Simone's surgery day. We are checking in with her. As you can see, we've got her beautiful natural hairline. It's emphasized. We put the smaller grafts in the front, the larger grafts behind it. And we're going to hear straight from the source about how was your day? Did we meet your expectations? What were you thinking going into the surgery versus how did your day go?
Well, for me, the day went very well. It's gone a lot quicker than I anticipated. Coming all the way from England, it's something that I researched in order to actually get here, and one of the reasons why I came was because in the UK there's not many surgeons that actually work with black people or African American people for you guys here. And those that say they have experience, they don't actually have any visual images in order for me to then state, yes, I would be comfortable taking that surgeon on.
Is that one of the reasons why you're doing the video as well? Yeah.
Yes, and the fact that there were so many testimonials for me to actually view helped me make my decision, and the cost of coming over was well worth it.
Awesome. All great things. We are so excited to see your results. We loved having you here.
Thank
you. We'll be following up with you throughout the course of the year.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.